Sunday, December 7th, 1941, shortly before 8 a.m., Japan launched a surprise attack on the United States of America by bombing the U.S. naval base at Pearl Harbor, Hawaii.
We are Steve, Stephanie, Teddy, and Ellie, enjoying the retired life in our RV, as well as travel through other opportunities.
Hi, everybody.
Hey. So today we're at
Pearl Harbor.
The USS Arizona. Emotional, and we haven't even gotten over there yet.
It's already. It is a historic site and a memorial.
The Pearl Harbor National Memorial does not charge an entrance fee. However, reservations are strongly encouraged, and there would be a $1 non-refundable management fee if you're booking tickets for the USS Arizona Memorial through recreation.gov. But they do charge for parking, $7 a day. If you do not have reservations, they do have kiosks where you can sign up to be on standby. This is what we did. And didn't have a problem. It was about an hour and a half wait.
Because when the Japanese attacked Pearl Harbor, I took it personal.
The grounds of the memorial are quite expansive, and you should plan on at least 4 to 6 hours to see everything. While waiting, I took the opportunity to visit the exhibit galleries, the Pearl Harbor Memorial Theater, as well as, of course, the bookstore. I found these exhibits to be exhilarating, as I am a history buff. Remember, if you don't know your history, you are destined to repeat it. A short time later, we were called to take the ferry.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Good afternoon and welcome aboard, everyone. If you haven't already, please take a moment to silence all cell phones and electronic devices out of respect for the USS Arizona Memorial.
After.
It still has the 3 folds on the back of the flag.
Yep.
But not the shirt.
Everyone on board got a little extra to see. As for the last 2 weeks, the United States Navy has been hosting Pacific Rim Exercise, a biannual exercise involving international navies. We were not only able to see other navies' ships, but we were able to interact with them as they too were touring the Pearl Harbor Memorial. As the ferry approached the memorial, you could feel the somberness setting in, knowing that so many men, boys, were underneath the structure, buried at sea. Very strict instructions are given to not pause on the walkway, enter the memorial before you begin filming or taking photographs. I must have missed that instruction. You're given 10 minutes to be inside the memorial. Not much time, so you really have to hurry about if you want to see what you need to see. I have a difficult time expressing the emotions I'm feeling as I'm walking about and actually directly over the ship. They say that the ship is alive. The souls trapped within try and reach out. If you look, you will see air bubbles coming up from the interior of the ship. the memorial wall displaying the names and ranks of those men who lost their lives December the 7th, 1941, fighting for and with the USS Arizona. I did not know that those sailors that survived the attack are allowed to have their remains returned to the sea and with their shipmates aboard the Arizona. The divers say it is eerie. The ship calls the ashes inward, as if that is where they belong. Also here are the memorials for the USS Oklahoma and the USS Utah, lost on that same day.
Jesus, officer, where'd you come from, Pearl Harbor?
Also located here is the Pacific Submarine Museum. We did not tour the Bowfin. Ron and Denise did. They said that it was pretty amazing.
Let's do it.
Well, let's see. I don't stamp anybody's book
Oh, I know you.
because I don't want to screw anybody's book up.
Well, and you see these books, you can't read.
You see this one? Can you read that? Oh, this is for Honolulu. So Honolulu, exactly. What is that? Honolulu is technically a national park, but it's not open to the public yet. It's where they incarcerated
The Japanese.
mostly Japanese.
It's not open yet. I thought it was open this year.
It became a national park like 2 years ago. I haven't heard that it's going to be open this
So
year.
why would you have that stamp? Oh, that's a Junior Ranger stamp.
Yeah, this one's Honolulu.
All right,
that one's
so take
Pearl
that one
Harbor.
out. Oh,
That one's Pearl Harbor National Memorial, Arizona Memorial, Utah Memorial.
Okay.
Yeah, I mean, you know, it became a park under Obama, I believe.
Yes.
But I don't, you know, you could be right. I don't know when it's going to open, but
We have a Japanese internment building in
Around the U.S.
Door County, Wisconsin.
oh wow.
We just found it. It's
Oh,
been made
shit.
into a farm stand.
Oh, really? A farm stand?
Yeah, but it's really cute. Okay, so that's that one. USS. They made a stamp of the ship. So the USS Utah, we haven't gone to.
Nope.
No.
No, but that's what's out there. It's sunk.
Right.
You can't go to it.
Utah. Right. Oh. Let's do it. Oklahoma?
That's out there too.
Hello? Your Magnum?
Look what I saw flying above us. Thank you for watching. Make sure you hit that like, subscribe, and share so that you know when we're sharing another video.